So I figured I'm doing all this stuff to the car. One day I'll want to look back and see what it took to get this project done in its current state. And I basically have a lot of parts sitting around here, as you can tell. I have the doors here. Got my tent set up here with the 4 walls. And inside we have what I like to refer to as the yard-built M3. It's a 1987 325E, and I bought it non-running, and I bought original M3 fenders. Okay, bought original M3 fenders for it here, and I bought all steel quarters for it here. Got the CPillar from Denmark, courtesy of Vink Motorsports. Have a factory glass rear windshield, and on the trunk bumpers. Bumpers are original from an E30 M3. They're on a table over there, along with the trunk, which I got from somebody I met in the E30 community. JP 1995 M3, thank you very much. And I got the side skirts here from BMW M Group, Mike Marte in New York. And I got this engine, 1995 S50 M3 engine from a seller in Connecticut. I don't remember his name, but thanks for that as well. That's installed already and running. So right now, as you can tell, I have the car blown apart because my intention is to paint it myself. Currently it's not driving, it's running, but it's not driving. There's some issues with the throwout bearing and the transmission that need to be addressed. So I figured before I get those looked into, I can't stand looking at the car one more day in the current color, mismatched color, and state. So I figured maybe not running was the best thing that happened to it. So I basically started prepping it for paint and buying everything I need to accomplish a paint job, which I'll be documenting at some point as well. Right now it's 99 degrees in New Jersey. We have a heat wave. So I need a 70-degree type weather for optimal temperatures for painting. So at this time that's not going to happen. I'm just going to continue with my prep. See, I've got my parts out here. I have the trunk. I have the lip spoiler here. I've got the grill, the rear bumper. I need to do some work on this rear bumper. It has one flaw, which is right here. So I need to address that. A homemade front splitter. And I have the bumper here that has been repaired. Used to have a big hole over here and a lot of damage towards the bottom as well. So I already did that body work on that. I've got my side mirrors. I've got the pop-out windows here. I've got to paint all the trim as well to prep everything. So a lot of work, but I'm up to it. Kind of excited about it, kind of nervous. But I do have quite a number of parts that I can practice on for paint. I have the original trunk over there against the shed, and I have the original hood right here. I can test paint before I paint these panels myself. So that's it for now. Wish me luck, and hopefully I will be able to provide updates once I do get started. Plan of action is I have 1K sealer, primer sealer. After 1 hour it can be painted with a base coat. but it needs to have a base coat at least within 12 hours of being applied. So once that happens, I'm on the clock. So it might be a one-day deal. It might be a one-day deal to seal, base coat, a couple of coats, and then follow up with clear coat. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's a pretty big job because I'm gonna, as you can tell, I'm gonna do the engine bay. I'm gonna paint everything that you can see here, and I'm gonna actually finish cleaning out this trunk and move the masking back because I'm gonna paint the trunk black as well. And there's less masking for me to do. Kind of works out. So the car's been washed. It's been sanded already. 600 grit. It's very smooth. And I will be degreasing it, washing it again, and then before I paint, I'll be doing some tack cloth just to make sure there are no impurities. And of course, I'll have all the safety equipment. I have goggles, I have a paint suit, I have fans. Yeah. And I have, of course, gloves so that I don't touch the car and leave any grease stains or spots that can create fish eyes. Alright, so that's the update for now. And stay tuned for other updates. As I said, it's 99 degrees here in Jersey. It's hot as hell. So I am sweating, but that's the only thing I have for now for an update. More to come later.